This tutorial will show you how to replace your stock grip tape with the super rough DIY Rhombus grip tape. We're demonstrating on the X-Way Atlas, but the grip tape can be used on any board. Before starting, make sure the surface of the deck is clean and dry. Start by using a hairdryer or heat gun to loosen the old grip tape. Slowly peel off the old grip tape. Avoid leaving adhesive residue on the deck. When handling the DIY Rhombus grip tape, be aware that it's extremely coarse. It can scratch your skin if you're not careful, so consider wearing gloves. Separate the rhombus cutout pieces from the grip tape. Prepare the X-Way logo by removing the cutout pieces. Think about where you want to place the new grip tape on the deck. Peel off the paper backing from the new grip tape. Gently apply the new grip tape. If you need to realign the grip tape, carefully pull it off and reapply. With the grip tape pieces applied and positioned correctly, firmly press down on them to ensure they stick to the deck. Remove the excess portions using a pair of scissors or a razor blade if you're experienced. Apply the remaining pieces any way you like. Feel free to get creative. The DIY Rhombus grip tape from X-Way is great for any electric skateboard or downhill longboard.